Man, they bring this big old track hoe through our neighborhood, and then they come out here and work on it, changing out hoses and stuff. Like they couldn't have done this in a shop. You know, in a place, not in a wetland. And there's a well right there, you know, maybe 100 feet away. And it's become a heavy equipment shop. And they just brought this thing in like 2 days ago. Crazy. Unload it, and then do the repairs. Unbelievable. In order to take that big old hose off, had to been some hydraulic fluid come out of it. Had to been. There's no way to do it without having hydraulic fluid at least come out of the hose. And that hose would hold probably a couple gallons of hydraulic fluid. And it's a big, probably at least a 2-inch hose. And you can see the shininess on the area where the piston ends. The shininess is because there's oil all over it. Either that or they pressure cleaned it right out here. Crazy. Got their truck, a welder, mechanic truck over there with the blue welder on it. All being done in the wetland.